Hi everyone, Anita Funita here. How is everybody? Good, I hope. Okay, I don't have a jar today, but I do have a fun DIY that I was actually let me start from here. Remember all these bangles and stuff that we get out of jars and we don't know what to do with them? So I looked up, I kept looking up what to do with bangles, and I came across one channel that I'm going to post the link when I'm done here. And he had some really fun DIYs, not just on bangles, but on furniture. I did subscribe to him, and I'm going to put the link in. Amazing DIYs, things that, you're going to find very fun. And I'm just going to put it out there in case you guys want to look him up. Okay. So as far as bangles goes, I was watching one of his DIYs that he did, and I did try it, and I really liked it. So what you do is you get two bangles if they're the thin ones. If they're the thicker ones, you only need one. Okay, so you get two that are similar in size. What you do is just attach them together with a little bit of glue, with the glue gun or any glue, just as long as they stay put. And then what I did was I cut pieces of denim into thin strips, and then I did this color, and I did the lighter jeans color, and I also did this fabric one here. It's kind of like a striped pattern here on here. So you can use about anything. I decided to use the denim. What he used was different, not denim, but I decided to use this one. Okay. So, and they don't really need to be too long. I used my children's old jeans that I was going to throw out or donate or whatever with them that they weren't using anymore. You need about maybe this size, not too long. I don't know how many inches this is. I'm just putting it into fours. This is the size you need. Okay, so this, about a 8-year-old's jean size is what I would say. Not 8. They're 8 now, so 7, 6. Okay. So I'm going to use the jeans, and I did start this one. What I did is, what you do is just put a bead of glue gun on here, which I don't have right now, but I'm just going to show you what to do. And just, go around this way after you've glued together the bangles too. And just, continue to go, around, around until you go all the way around. I'm getting messy here because it's not glued. But let me show you what I mean. Oops. And you can cut these off at the end when you're all done. And you don't even have to cut them off. I think they look cute with them on too, with the little shredded pieces of string on here. Okay, so I'm just giving you an idea of what to do. Okay, so this is pretty much what's happening here. Do I have the right video? Okay, there we go. So when you're done, it's going to look something like this. And all you need to do is just cut it and put a bead of glue gun also and just close it up. And then what you do is cut some wire. I'm going to show you on here. Just, let me show you the wire. Here you go. It's size 0.4 mm. This is the one I got. You can get it maybe a little thicker one, but I decided to use a thinner one because I go more. I like to go a little bit more when it goes to going around on the bangle. So this is the one that I used. I'm just going to cut a little piece here just to show you on this one. Okay, next you need beads, and we have a whole lot of those. So I did put beads in this box here, and then I have some charms that are either earrings that are just one pair that I turned into charms, and I have of course my little giraffe that I love. I have to make something with this one next. And a little horse, and just any charms that you like. It can be I even have the evil's eye. So you have to have some charms, and then different size beads. They can be large, they can be small, any kind of bead you want. And I'm just going to show you with these are the hematite ones. Okay, I'm just going to show you with this one. What I do is just thread it through over here, just over here, and then twist on this one. Oh, am I showing you right? Okay, just twist on here like this, and just go on the bangle over here, and just go around. Okay, and then just go around the bead too, like this. I don't know if you can see it. Just go around the bead like this, around, so it's secure. And that's when you start already deciding what bead you want next, and so on and so forth. And let's just say I want like this bead here. You just thread another one on, and you go over here. Okay, at the video. Okay, and you just, you know, go a few times, you know, around and around, just so the bead is more secure, and something like this. So I did finish 2 of them, and you know, I'm gonna save some for myself. I'm gonna make some for my nieces. This way, you know, you're reusing the jeans and fabrics and the beads, and also the bangles. So I made this one. These are beads that I really liked, that were on a stretch bracelet that was all stretched out, and I really liked these. So I decided to use these. So I made this one, which I think came out really cute. I'm going to give this one to my niece. She'll love this. And then I made one like this with a light color denim. And I used the black, I used white beads, and then I used the black glass beads. And I had this cross on here, which I added as like a kind of like a dangle little charm here, which looks pretty cute. I'm not done with this one yet. I'm halfway around, a little bit more than halfway. I used the black fabric on this one, and I'm just using yellow and red beads. And I use this little flower as a little charm here. I'm not finished with this one. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys a little project that I'm doing. That, you know, this is a way to reuse the bangles. Actually one way to reuse the bangles. I'm sure there's more. But I just wanted to show you guys and give you an idea. And again, I will post the link of where I got this idea. And he does have a lot of DIY projects that are really cool that I'm going to try also, especially the one where he made one of the dressers. He painted it in a way where it looks iridescent, kind of like a mermaid kind of colors. Oh, and he did make mermaid jeans. So yeah, I'm going to post that for you. And I will have a jar for you tomorrow. But just wanted to say hi and, you know, give you a little something today, show you something fun to do that I found today. And this is Anita Funita. I hope you liked this video and had fun. And thank you so much. Don't forget to thumbs up.